I came across the video by accident, so I just listened in. And I caught something that stood with me and has changed my perception. It wasn't a groundbreaking thing, it was so simple, but at the same time, it was life changing. He told a story. I wish I could remember this guy's name, I can't. He told a story on how he went, I think he had it was a marathon with a friend. And towards the end, they saw this bagels and all that, and people were queuing up for it, and he wanted one, and he told his friend, oh, let's go get a bagel. And the friend was like, no, there's a long queue. And he said, come on, it's free bagel. And the friend again said, no, there's a long queue. I can't queue just to get a bagel. But he wanted a bagel. And at the end of the day, he went and got two or so for himself. Now that brings me to what he said, which stuck with me. There are two ways to see things in life. See what you want, and you go about and figure out how to get what you want. Or see the problem. Now, he saw free bagels. His friend saw a long queue. He didn't see the queue as a problem, but his friend saw the queue as a problem to getting what he wanted. And hence that stopped him from finding other alternatives on how to get it. But he saw the free bagel, wanted a free bagel, and figured out how he could get it. And it's not just about bagel, but this is about life itself, about us, about our desires and our dreams. A lot of times, some people, even when you've given them a solution to a problem, they will find a problem with the solution that you give them, just because that is how they think. They just like finding problems where even none is existing, or where it is such a minimal thing that a shift of mindset, a shift of approach can make the difference. So how do you see things? That has stuck with me for a while, ever since I heard that. Anytime a challenge is placed in my face, I'm like, am I seeing there? How am I seeing this? Am I seeing it from the point of view of the problem and the stumbling blocks? Or am I seeing it from the point of view of, this is what I want, this is what I need to do to get to where I want to be? How you see things really makes a whole lot of difference. So, in this tough world that we live in, mindset, perspectives, approaches, positive ways really matter, and can only take you the long way. The right mindset, excuse me, the right mindset, the right approach can take you the long run and help you to survive in this tough world of ours. We need to be able to throw away old and set fixed ways of doing things and have a growth mindset. And that growth mindset means being open to change, being open to other point of views and perspectives and approach and styles and strategies, being to learn, unlearn, relearn. Yeah. Do have yourself a beautiful, fantastic, delicious day.